I would like to welcome to all the participants to this very important workshop, which is going to be very important for our project, our water supply, basics, sanitation, and sustainable land management going forward. We today here have, at the pleasure of very important guests from the government. We have the Minister of Water Resources, Mr. Sulaiman, Honorable Sulaiman. We have the Hargeysa Mayor, Abdurrahman. We have the Director General of the Presidency, and also Mr. Maxamed Biyaha, who is quite new to his post and also is still in the honeymoon of the role. Okay. And also we do have the Director General of the Ministry of Agriculture, Mr. Maxamed. But also we do have, a very important delegation from KfW, the Chairman Development Bank or the Chairman Financial Corporation, who are now doing the most important project in Somaliland. Is a project of over 30 million, of course. A project that we hope, to dramatically change the problem of water scarcity and unfair water distribution within the city, what we expect to cover, with a new network of pipeline and reservoirs throughout the whole city, of course. But also they do have an important work with the Ministry of Agriculture and the municipality as well, of course. This is very important project going forward. And what we all know is that the water of the capital of Hargeysa is the first priority for our previous government and our current government, of course. Our government first priority is getting enough water to the city of Hargeysa, of course. So we do have, this team is led by Mr. Andreas Holcott, the regional director of KfW, who is based in Nairobi. And also we have another very important team from Germany, from Frankfurt, the headquarters, of course. And as well, we do have the consulting firm who is supporting the municipality, the Ministry of Agriculture, Hargeysa Water Agency in implementing this important project. They call it consulting engineers, and it's Gitter. They're doing a great job in making sure that this project is implemented and quite excellently, of course. So I would like to welcome all of you to this important workshop. Our colleagues from KfW, which I would like again to mention our gratitude to the generosity of the chairman taxpayers, the chairman government, for contributing this enormous amount of resources to bettering the situation of the people of Somaliland. So I would like to mention our gratitude as Hargeysa Water Agency, as a member of the Somaliland government again, to the chairman people, to KfW, of course. So please welcome. This is going to be a very important day, and I would like to welcome all of you again.